And on this last trading day of 2022, the Indonesian composite index closed in the red, but despite the drop, the IDX still gained since the start of the year, booking the second highest gains among ASEAN countries. On Friday's closing hours, the Indonesian composite index, or IDX, fell by 0.14%, reaching 6,850 points. Despite the drop on the last trading day of 2022, on a year-to-date basis, or since the start of the year, the Indonesian composite index has actually gained by over 4%. This speaks to the resilience of the Indonesian market as it managed to withstand high external pressures this year, such as the U.S. Federal Reserve's aggressive rate hikes, which significantly raised the risk of capital outflow. Now, moving on to the top gainers and top losers of the day. Even though the IDX fell today, many stocks still saw significant gains. Shares of Bank J Trust Indonesia surged by 34.8%, while Singaraja Putra's share were up by 24.8%, and Indostraits was also up, but by 20%. In the meantime, the top losers today included Isra Resisi Indonesia, which fell by 10%, followed by Kioson Commercial Indonesia, and Wulandari Bangun Laksana. And now in currency exchange market, the Indonesian rupiah was up once again, gaining by 0.54% today, trading at 15,572 per US dollar as of 2:59 p.m. Western Indonesia time. And moving on, global oil price rose today with Brent crude up by 0.5%, while U.S. oil was up by 0.48%. Although oil prices have eased since its record high in the month of February following the start of Russia's invasion of Ukraine, global oil prices are still set to close higher in 2022. Brent crude prices are on track to increase 5.7% higher since the start of the year, while U.S. oil is also on track to close the year higher, but by 4.5%. Meanwhile, spot gold fell by 0.14% on Friday. Gold is on track for a second consecutive yearly drop amid aggressive Fed rate hikes, which has boosted the value of the U.S. dollars. The U.S. dollar index has risen by more than 8% this year, on track for its largest increase in 7 years.